Welcome to the intricate world of pyrotechnics, where ancient art meets modern precision.
These are the fundamental building blocks, carefully selected for precise reactions.
Precision is paramount for stability, ensuring every component performs as intended.
Every particle must be perfectly blended for a uniform, stable composition.
The binder ensures a stable, cohesive paste, crucial for the fireworks structure and performance. Consistency is key for a perfect burn, ensuring each star ignites flawlessly.
This forms the core of our fireworks stars, ensuring uniform density and consistent performance.
They need time to dry perfectly, a patient process ensuring optimal performance.
Each star must be identical for perfect effects, ensuring a consistent and beautiful display.
From a single star, an entire universe of color and light is born, crafted with ultimate care.
Different elements give us these incredible colors, each a marvel of chemical reaction.
This black powder is the heart of the burst, a volatile mix requiring utmost caution.
Building the shell requires patience and precision, layer by layer, for ultimate strength. Every layer adds strength to the final burst, ensuring a magnificent and safe display.
Dozens of shells dry, a testament to ordered production and patient craftsmanship.
This is the bursting charge, precisely measured to unleash the star's vibrant energy.
Each star finds its perfect place, a meticulous dance of color and design.
Now, the magic is sealed inside, awaiting its moment of spectacular release. This charge propels it skyward, a critical link ensuring a successful, soaring launch. This quick match ensures a rapid, controlled ignition, activating the lift charge instantly.
This tape secures everything, ensuring integrity and a flawless, powerful burst. This fuse dictates the precise timing of the burst, an engineering marvel in miniature.
A symphony of shells, meticulously prepared, awaiting their moment to ignite the night.
Beyond basic colors, we craft unique visual spectacles, pushing the boundaries of artistry.
Tiny tubes hold the secret to dazzling shimmer, meticulously crafted for brilliance. These will streak across the sky, leaving brilliant trails, each a masterpiece of light.
This multi-break shell holds many surprises, in layers, a marvel of complex engineering.
Timing is everything to create layered effects, a symphony of precisely engineered bursts.
From quick match to electric, each fuse is engineered for precise, controlled ignition.
This modern igniter offers precise, remote control, a leap forward in firework technology. Each shell is carefully packed for safe transport, a testament to our commitment. Safety regulations are non-negotiable, always, ensuring secure handling and transport.
Safety is our absolute highest priority, always guiding every single process.
A powerful launch, propelling our creation skyward, a testament to its
Virtual testing ensures ultimate precision, perfecting every trajectory and burst before ignition.
Imagine the audience's reaction to this sequence. a true symphony of light and sound.
We paint the sky, synchronized to every note, creating an unforgettable, emotional experience.
Digital choreography brings fireworks to life, synchronizing every burst to music's rhythm.
Every connection must be perfect for precise ignition, a symphony of digital command. Every connection must be perfect for precise ignition, a symphony of digital command.
Each shell is nestled, ready for its grand ascent, a ritual of immense power. A colossal golden willow, shimmering with majesty, descends, painting the night sky in glory.
10 seconds to ignition. Prepare for an unforgettable spectacle.
A playful, smiley face bursts into being, bringing joy and
A mystical metamorphosis, blue turning to red, a truly surprising and vibrant spectacle.
A brocade crown unfolds, sweeping golden trails.
A brocade crown unfolds, sweeping golden trails, a regal splendor across the dark night. A dynamic swarm of silver lights dances erratically, a surprising, energetic burst in the night.
Consumer fireworks are for enjoyment, professional for large shows, each with distinct uses.
Always read and follow these instructions carefully, ensuring everyone's safety.
Robotic dexterity ensures microscopic precision, placing every tiny fuse with flawless accuracy. Always read and follow these instructions carefully, ensuring everyone's safety.
Laser precision ignites the future, a silent, powerful, and scientifically advanced method.
We are constantly innovating for a greener future, ensuring beauty without environmental cost.
Organic innovation defines our shells, a commitment to beauty and environmental responsibility.
Clear skies reveal stunning displays, a vibrant spectacle of environmental improvement and wonder.
The art of the star, perfectly formed, a testament to meticulous engineering and vibrant design.
Ready to bring wonder to the night sky, a testament to purpose and unwavering dedication.
Fireworks truly are pure magic, a universal language of joy, uniting us all.
A symphony of steel and light, industrial grandeur, where technology meets artistry seamlessly. Everything runs smoothly, a testament to our team's dedication and flawless precision.
a global spectacle, uniting cultures in wonder, from Paris to Sydney, Tokyo to New York.
Uncover the art of pyrotechnics, a timeless dance of light and shadow, crafted with passion.
Thank you for joining this incredible journey, exploring the magic of fireworks.
Uncover the art of pyrotechnics, a timeless dance of light and shadow, crafted with passion.
From ancient chemistry to modern marvels, fireworks unite us in wonder, a universal spectacle.